Hey, this is Merlin Seeley with Dogwood Hollow Homestead. And guess what time it is? It's time to harvest some turnips. Come with me to the organic garden. We're going to harvest some turnips, and I'm going to show you how to process them for canning. Here we go. Okay, here we are at the turnip patch, and as you can see, all of the turnips have been harvested. Here's a pile of refuse that's going to be fed to the rabbits, and there's a few turnips that's left in the ground because they're not so big. They're still growing, and there's just a little bit of time left for turnips to grow before they start stopping and slowing down and turning to seed. But right now, this was our turnip patch, and it's only about maybe 10 foot by 8 foot, and next year it's going to be a whole lot bigger. But turnips grow pretty well here in Missouri if you can get them in some pretty decent soil. And so right now I'm just going to show you what the turnips look like. And I've already pulled all the turnips, and we got about 2 bushels over here. Some of them are big, some of them are small, and I've got them separated into 2 sections, a small section and a large section of turnips, how big they grow. And let's go see what they look like. So here we have a small bushel, it's about a half a bushel of small turnips, and these are the turnips that we grew that didn't get very large, and they're about golf ball size, and most of them are a little bit bigger than golf balls. But this is just one pack, not one pack, but one stack that we had, and I've already processed the large stack of turnips. And here's the large turnips. You can see they're quite a bit larger than the smaller ones. These are good baseball and softball sized turnips. And this is a pile of refuse. It's what's going to go to the rabbits. Basically what you want to do is you want to pull your turnips, knock all of your dirt off of them, and then you get a bucket of water. This is just rainwater. And you wash your turnips really well. You want to get all the dirt off of them. And that's after you cut all of the greens off. You cut them off just like this. And all of this is rabbit food. This is good for your rabbits and pigs. The pigs and rabbits would just eat that up. And then here's a bucket of the greens. And these are the greens that come off the turnips. And we're going to take these and we're going to can these as well into some jars of turnip greens. And everybody likes turnip greens that I know of. But you end up with the turnip, the top cut off, and some of the roots cut off. And if you cut the roots off, this is what the roots of the turnips look like sometimes. You want to cut all that off, and then you wash them, and then they're ready to be diced. You want to dice your turnips, and you dice them up and put them into your canning jars. And once you get them in your canning jars, then we'll show you what to do next.